Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the ElonRWA token. Now RWA stands for real world assets. This token has been trending actually a lot in the past week. Right now they are trending number 8 on DEX tools. They may be trending on other sites as well. This token is on the BASECHAIN. And we're going to go over the information on this token here, and we're also going to check their audit, see if there's any warnings on the audit, anything that is concerning that people should be aware about. And yeah, we're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So lately, BASECHAIN meme coins have been very popular. Also Solana meme coins have been very popular. I just uploaded a video yesterday about the Roost token that got a whole bunch of big central exchanges, like exchange listings like MEXC Global and Gate. And yeah, I've been uploading a lot of BASECHAIN meme coins lately. They're very popular, and now we have another one, the ElonRWA token. You can find their Twitter or their Telegram at ElonRWA, and they have 790 Telegram members. 148 of them are online. That's a great place to join the conversation regarding this project. If you want to talk to people in the community, learn more about the project. Now, this token is available on UNISWAP. You can get it on their webpage, ElonRWA.com. They have a link to UNISWAP. Basically, you just fund your Coinbase or MetaMask wallet with ETH, bridge it to Base using the contract address that you can find on their webpage, ElonRWA.com. You trade your Base for the Elon token. And that's basically about it. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes. We can look at taxes right now. Well, why is this doing this? Okay, there we go. It says taxes are 0, so you will not have to set slippage. Now, very popular token. They have 4,340 holders. There is a market cap of $9.33 million, and they have $4.19 million in liquidity in Uniswap. Now, there's a lock button. So we'll go over the first security thing here about this token that bothers me a little bit of worry right off the bat. If you look at DEX tools, and DEX Screener will probably say the same thing. If you look at DEX tools, it says $4.19 million in liquidity. And then they always have a little lock picture that has a circle around it, and it'll show you how much liquidity is locked on Uniswap or PancakeSwap, whatever DEX it's locked on. So I'm going to put this up in the corner of the screen. Hopefully I remember anyways. If I don't remember, you can just see it on DEX tools. If you click on the little lock, it is not highlighted at all. So to me that says nothing is locked. And it says here, liquidity and supply locks less than 1% of locked supply for only 1 month. Check other possible liquidity providers for this pair. So it could be possible that they are locked somewhere else, but they give a link to UNCX where a lot of tokens are locked. It is possible, though, that the liquidity is locked somewhere else. So if somebody does know about that, not the dev. If you're the dev, don't leave a comment. But if you're a person who's researched this token and you know that liquidity is locked somewhere else that DEX tools can't find, then let me know in the comments down there and I could have a look to go see. But yeah, according to according to UNCX, less than 1%. So that's a little sketchy. Now we could verify this on DEX Screener. DEX Screener doesn't have a lock button either. Now this token's not doing very well today. Right now it's down 14.92%. And they have here, when was this created? So it says 7 days ago the pair was created on Uniswap. So this is a fairly new project. Now they have a max total supply of 100 billion tokens. Name of the token and the ticker symbol seem to be the same. ElonRWA, all one word, 18 decimal places on this token here. On their webpage, it says ElonRWA is the first Elon meme coin linked to real-world assets. They have a whole bunch of links here. Gecko Terminal, DEX Tools, DEX Screener, Linktree, CoinMarketCap, Uniswap, their socials. They even have a Discord group you could join. So on their webpage, they also have an embedded chart. They have a little YouTube video that you could, it's a live video of just showing basically a really poor drawing of Elon Musk. Like, who drew this? The guy's face looks deformed. I don't want to insult anybody, but why is this the only picture on their, this is the real world asset? How much is this worth? 5 cents? What's going on with this picture here? If you go over to ElonRWA.com, you'll see what I'm talking about. Now they have a button that says history. If you click on that, that will give you more information. So it says, okay, well, somebody, Cryptopathic Feisty DAO is launching ElonRWA on Base. So some Reddit user named Watchy Boy drew a portrait of Elon Musk. So sorry, Watchy Boy, I didn't know this was your famous artwork here. It's fine, okay. So somebody purchased it, and there's a big story behind this real world asset of this Elon drawing if you want to check it out. And there's just a live video of just showing the Elon portrait. So, okay. Now I don't see an audit on their page. So there's not a full audit we can go by. There's not a KYC, so keep that in mind. I don't see anything like that. All there is a button that says contract, contact us, history, tokenomics, and all those socials and links that I just named. Now, so the liquidity not being locked is a big concern. So hopefully it is locked somewhere else. Now, the DEX score here is 92 out of 99. Community trust score is 75%. And if you check their audit, they actually have a quick intel, token sniffer, and Go Plus security audit. And there's no warnings on them whatsoever. So if we're just going by the quick audits, they are perfect audits. Nothing wrong. The only thing I wish was better for this project, for this token, is that they had a full audit by CertIC or Hackin or, a big auditing company. I wish they had a KYC with their team doxed on their page. And I wish that they had a solid liquidity lock on here. So those are my 3 concerns. But other than that, their quick audit is fine. So it's hard to say or not if this token is definitely a scam or definitely not a scam. So proceed with caution is what I should say. Now, let me know in the comments, since I am not a financial advisor, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.